Good morning. How can I assist you today?
Good morning. I need to pick up a prescription for antibiotics. The doctor gave it to me yesterday.
Sure thing. Could you please provide your name and the prescription number?
My name is John Smith, and the prescription number is 12345.
Thank you, John. Let me check that for you. The antibiotics are amoxicillin. I have your prescription here.
Yes, that's right.
Great. You'll need to take one tablet 3 times a day with food. Make sure to finish the entire course, even if you start feeling better. Do you have any questions about the medication?
No, that sounds good. Thank you. How much will this cost?
The total cost is $20. We accept cash, credit, and debit cards.
I'll pay with my debit card.
Thank you. Here's your receipt and your medication. Please remember to store it at room temperature and away from direct sunlight. If you have any side effects or questions later, feel free to call us.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome, John. Have a great day. Oh, before you go, I noticed you have another prescription for a pain reliever. It's ibuprofen. You'll need to take one tablet every 6 to 8 hours as needed for pain. Make sure to take it with food to avoid stomach upset. Do you have any questions about this one?
No, that sounds good. Thank you. How much will this cost?
The ibuprofen will be an additional $15. So your total is $35. We accept cash, credit, and debit cards.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. John, I also want to mention that while these medications are effective, it's important to use them as directed. Long-term use of antibiotics, like amoxicillin, can sometimes lead to antibiotic resistance, which means the medication may not work as well in the future if you need it again. For ibuprofen, long-term use can potentially cause stomach ulcers or kidney issues, especially if taken in high doses. It's always best to use these medications for the shortest time necessary and to follow your doctor's advice.
Thank you for letting me know. I'll be sure to follow your instructions.
That's great to hear. If you have any concerns or if you need further information, don't hesitate to come back or call us. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. If you need anything else, we're here to help.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.